guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Samriti and I am back with my new video. So let's start the video. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to draw a cute and simple painting at your home. So let's start with the pencil and draw the outlining and border of the drawing which you want to paint. So here we have to draw the eyes. It is very easy to draw eyes, but you have to make sure the size of eyes of both the eyes must be same. Now let's start the painting part, and we can start with the background. And for background, here I am using Persian blue, violet and cobalt blue. You can also use navy blue in place of Persian blue and sky blue in place of cobalt blue. Now mix it properly. So when we are done with background, we can go on for the face. For that, here I am using fresh tint color. You can also use skin color and mix with light brown and dark brown color. You can just do light color first and further with dark colors. Just mix one color to the other for giving different shades and different patterns for your drawing. You can mix light color to the darker, and more darker you can use according to you, which you want to use in your patterns, and just do it well. Now for the eyes and nose, here I am using grey black color first and then use the darker black color. You can directly use the darker color for eyes, but here I am using to give the shades. You can also use grey black in your pattern for shading. This looks awesome, really awesome. Guys, you can also follow me on Instagram, and here is my Instagram ID. Please guys, follow more and more. Now for eyes, I am using white color for giving the shadow. You can also use whitener in place of white color, but for me, white paint is best. So our painting is completed, and here is the final look. So much guys for watching this video. Guys, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक करें, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें, और जो मेरे चैनल पे न्यू है तो प्लीज़ गाइस इसे सब्सक्राइब करें, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें और प्रेस द बेल आइकन सो दैट आपको सारी मेरी वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे और आप सबसे पहले उसको देख पाएँ. एंड थैंक यू सो मच गाइस फॉर योर लव एंड सपोर्ट. बाय बाय.